Hello everyone. A warm welcome to the Deekshant IS YouTube platform. Today's breaking news. India named in fentanyl crisis. US report sparks controversy. For the first time ever, the United States has named India as a state actor in fentanyl trafficking, alongside China. What's behind this shocking claim? And how is it linked to Trump's new trade war? Let's break it down. According to the 2025 Annual Threat Assessment released by US intelligence, China and India are key suppliers of precursor chemicals used by drug cartels to manufacture fentanyl, a deadly synthetic opioid fueling America's drug crisis. Fentanyl is the number one cause of drug-related deaths in the US, responsible for over 52,000 deaths in just 1 year. And now, the US is cracking down on countries allegedly fueling this crisis. This development comes at a critical time, as Donald Trump prepares to impose new tariffs on multiple nations starting April 2. Some analysts believe this fentanyl accusation could be a pressure tactic against India in ongoing trade talks. The report follows a major federal case in Washington, D.C., where an India-based chemical company and its executives were charged for illegally exporting fentanyl precursors. Two employees of a Hyderabad-based firm were arrested in New York last week. According to the U.S. report, Mexican drug cartels like the Sinaloa cartel and Jalisco New Generation cartel use chemicals from China and India to mass-produce fentanyl, which is then smuggled into the U.S. India has not officially responded yet, but experts argue that New Delhi has strict regulations on chemical exports, and any illegal trade happens without government knowledge. Meanwhile, Trump has linked trade policies to the fentanyl issue, but India is negotiating a free trade agreement with the US to avoid harsh economic penalties. So the big question is this accusation purely geopolitical pressure? Or is there more to the story? Tell us what you think in the comments. If you found this video informative, hit like, share, and subscribe for more global updates. Stay tuned.